Mojo is a brand new programming language. It's a member of the Python family, but it was built because of new hardware. And so a thing that is happening all around us that very few people are paying attention to is that we have new GPUs and AI accelerators and networking chips and all kinds of new computers are being invented that are purpose-built and specialized. And these specialized processors, they don't run C++. They don't run traditional code. AI in general is taking over the world. You're probably seeing all the news and headlines and all this kind of stuff. But the thing that is really difficult is how do we program a GPU? How do we get these AI algorithms to get access to the full power of hardware? And so Mojo is really designed to solve that problem. Now, from that problem, you can say, okay, if we're going to build a new programming language, this is very expensive. It takes years of time to do. What is the best approach? And so what we're doing is we're bringing best-in-class technology, so MLIR compilers, not just LLVM. We're bringing well-known syntax, like just Python, come. Let's not have to teach people the basics of syntax again. Let's get it so the AI tools natively know Mojo already because we're using Python. But then we're bringing entirely new compiler techniques. And so in C++, you like templates and metaprogramming with templates and things like this. Mojo supercharges that. And so it takes books out of more recent languages like Zig, for example, and brings it into the ecosystem. It makes it so that error messages are detected much earlier. Makes so you can do take a piece of code and then split it across multiple devices. That's a completely new thing. That's almost impossible to do in a language like C++. But honestly, it learns a lot from C++ too. And basically the idea and the way I look at it is that C++ is a great language. Take the good ideas from it and the good ideas from Swift and the good ideas from Rust and the good ideas from every other language that we've seen before and mix it together into a new system that is state-of-the-art. And so I think that Mojo will continue to grow. It's maturing now, which is very exciting. It'll grow from being a GPU programming thing, which is where it's starting, into being a full application level thing where it will compete with things like C++ and Rust. Then eventually we'll grow into object orientation and things like this, and it will feel like Python 4. At that point, I think that it would be very exciting for the world because you'll have something in the Python family that's very scalable, all the way down to really weird and obscure accelerators, all the way up to the biggest application use cases. But unlike Python, it's 1,000 times faster. Unlike C++, it's way easier to learn and teach. Like Rust, it's memory safe. And so we'll bring together a lot of new technologies into the system that hopefully can scale for the world.